Pirates beat the new boys Milford in the league when they began the defence of their title, but scraped past Durban City in extra time.
Yeah, it's a back five for AmaZulu. They're going to be very defensive there with...
And the other change, Osman Apollos getting a little bit of a break. Gampani Lungu, the hero from in Chatsworth, not far from here. That game is delayed, by the way, because of the rain that we've had in this part of the world. And up the N2 North, Siwelele visiting Milford at Umhlatuzane Sports Complex in Richards Bay. And a stormer on Sunday, despite being on the losing side. Little flick on! I'll tell you what, that wasn't far away. It looked like Mbanjwa. Yes, it is Mbanjwa. Sibele. They could almost interchange on their right-hand side, Sibele and Lunga. We saw in the first game against Milford, as Sibele was tiring, he was playing right back that day. Lunga came on, he has a chance! Oh, Moremi against his old team. He gets a gift and sticks it away.
A gift indeed, with his weaker foot, that is Moremi.
Well, it wasn't the most convincing of finishes, but it counts nevertheless. But really just laid into his path by some errant defence.